What up, guys? David from Mizzo. This is one of my tow trucks here. Got a small impact in the left front, so I decided to change the whole truck up. The truck is naturally red. I wrapped it satin gray. So what I'm gonna do now is take off the wrap and repaint the whole truck satin black. And I'm gonna do a two-tone with a gloss black on the top of the truck and a satin black on the bottom. This truck had rust before, so I cut out the rust. I'm gonna put fiberglass. I'm gonna do a whole crazy rebuild on this truck. It's gonna look brand new. Got custom headlights, off-road bumpers, nice rims and tires. This truck is gonna stand out, and I want you guys to see the final product.